Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This video is for those that want to remove unwanted hair from their body, and there are two major processes to doing this. The first is going to be you using baking soda, and the second is you using Vaseline and some turmeric powder. I'll start with using my baking soda. Baking soda is very good if you want to remove unwanted hair from your body because it breaks down the hair follicles from your body if you are very dedicated to doing this. I'll grab a teaspoon and I'll take some baking soda. Next, I'll just mix this with some warm water. Make sure you use warm water and not cold water so that it can work well. I'll pour some water into my baking soda, and make sure you use baking soda and not baking powder. There's a difference between baking soda and baking powder. I'll just stir it well. I'll be grabbing a cotton pad. You can use a cotton pad to do this. And I'll just swirl in my baking soda and water. Next, use this to scrub every part of your body where you don't want the hair anymore. Scrub this well for about 5 minutes and you can dry it completely. Please note that this will not remove all the hair in one day, but you have to do this for at least 3 days before you can see the difference it will give you. Next, I took a teaspoon of my Vaseline and I melted it using the double boiler method, which means I melted it with hot water. I placed it in a pan of hot water and it melted like so. This is better than you putting it in the microwave. And next, I'll take my turmeric powder and I'll be using a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm just going to stir this together. Grab my cotton pad again and I'll apply it on the spot where I want to remove all the hair from. Please note that turmeric powder or turmeric tends to stain your skin, so you have to be careful when you're doing it so that it does not stain a part where you don't want it to be on. So I'll just apply this for about 2 minutes and I'll leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, I'll wash it off. Just scrub this in the opposite direction in which the hair grows, and the hair will fall out from its root. It will fall out from the follicles and it will stay off for a very long time. By the time you do this process or this treatment, you'll find out that the hair around that region does not grow again because turmeric breaks down hair from its follicles. If you don't want it to touch a part of the body where you want hair, e.g. your eyebrows, make sure that you don't apply the turmeric powder close to that place, because if you apply it there, it's going to fall off. The hair will fall off and it might never grow back again. So this is the video for those that want to remove unwanted hair from their body, and it is perfectly okay for you to apply on any part of your body. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more videos. I'll see you next time. Do have a lovely time. Bye.